Delta-Star, Delta-Wye, transformers. Delta-Star transformers, also called Delta-Wye transformers, are widely used in distribution networks. They are preferred because they meet the practical needs of both residential and industrial consumers, while also improving safety, reliability, and efficiency. Provision of a neutral point. One of the biggest advantages of Delta-Star transformers is the provision of a neutral point on the secondary side. This allows the system to supply both three-phase loads, like motors in industries, and single-phase loads, like appliances in homes. The ability to serve a mix of loads makes this configuration perfect for residential and commercial distribution networks. Grounding and safety. The grounded neutral point on the star-connected secondary ensures a safe path for fault currents. This enhances protection against shocks and electrical fires. At the same time, the delta connection on the high-voltage side isolates faults, preventing them from affecting the entire transmission system. This simplifies fault detection and improves overall system safety. Handling unbalanced loads. In real-world distribution systems, power demand is rarely balanced across all three phases. Delta-Star transformers handle these unbalanced loads effectively. The delta connection on the primary helps balance currents, preventing issues such as voltage distortions or floating neutrals that might occur in other configurations. Suppression of harmonics. Nonlinear loads create harmonic currents that can distort voltage waveforms and cause overheating. The delta connection on the primary provides a closed path for third harmonic currents to circulate, preventing them from being transmitted into the power grid. This results in a cleaner, more stable power supply. Cost and efficiency. Finally, Delta-Star transformers are cost-effective and efficient. The star secondary reduces insulation requirements by lowering the phase voltage. This leads to savings in winding materials. Meanwhile, the delta primary can handle high voltages with reduced current, which minimizes resistive losses and reduces conductor material requirements. Together, these advantages make Delta-Star transformers a highly practical choice for distribution networks.